Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Good morning, I'm Johnny British and this is Eyewitness News. At approximately early this morning, people were seen fleeing this remote location. As some would say it, running for their lives. I don't know what they were thinking, if it's the free energy that they were drinking. It is said by many that fight broke out after a money pull-up talking on the mic situation. Then came the running. As the Stusha girls in their name brand clothing and dope bodies was trampled on by the more regular clothing girls. People were seen running naked down the road as the name brand clothes and ear and shoes was left back at the venue as gunshot barked like a mongrel dog. Our sources confirmed that at least no people got died. Still missing is DJ Rodney, as sources seen bolting for his life. He was last spotted along the Valentine Bridge going to the Jersey area. To retrieve your missing clothes and shoes, please call toll free to Garbage and Garbage or visit our free website at aweafter-radio.garbage.com. Johnny British for Lost and Found News. At this Iron Party in Queens tonight, there was a riot. People ran for their life.
Well, I the wickedest news reporting that me ever hear in my life. To be honest, you see me? Because for a serious thing what happened, not at the club there that night, and for you to report that news like that, you're good, man. You see me? If you've been reading news all along in the station in the point that station that get probably a dozen last two already. You see it? Running, trampolizing, and how to dash away your garbage.com. Are the people close them and call garbage? Trampolizing. You're worse than Rising King to burn up. But you don't know the thing already, you see what I say? Anyways, this scene where say is a fight that take place in a New York club. But I don't know the reason why I even explain already. The man don't explain and tell you everything what go on already, you see me? But you don't see the thing set already, you see it? Everybody alright, nobody no get hurt. I'm missing nobody no get hurt, no fatalities, no anything like that. You see me? I say police pass through, make sure say everything good, you see me? So even though you might run joke at you, him know say everybody alright. You see me? Anyways, you don't know the thing go already. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave a comment and let me know what you think. My name is Skilla and this way just say Dancehall Skilla ENT. Wanna big up on yourself, is it?